Every food formulation presents its own challenges. Whether you're developing a powdered beverage, bakery product, or nutritional supplement, achieving the right texture while maintaining efficient processing and consistent product quality starts with selecting the right ingredients. One ingredient that has become a mainstay in food manufacturing is maltodextrin. Produced through the partial hydrolysis of vegetable starches, it is available in different dextrose equivalent, or DE grades, allowing manufacturers to select the functionality best suited to their formulation and processing requirements. In many formulations, the goal is to improve texture without changing the product's intended flavor. This is where maltodextrin offers real value. With its neutral flavor and excellent solubility, it helps build body and improve mouthfeel, while allowing the original flavor profile to remain unchanged. Its benefits extend beyond the finished product. During manufacturing, maltodextrin dissolves readily, disperses evenly, and supports smooth powder handling. These characteristics help simplify processing, improve batch consistency, and deliver more reliable production performance. It's these characteristics that make maltodextrin such a versatile ingredient. Today, it is widely used in powdered beverages and dairy products, bakery products, confectionery and sauces, seasonings, and nutritional formulations, wherever consistent functionality and efficient processing are essential. Whether you're refining an existing formulation or developing a new food product, selecting the right maltodextrin grade is an important step towards achieving consistent texture, efficient processing, and dependable product quality. Discover how Mazda Chemical's maltodextrin solutions can support your next food formulation.